Johnson with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Well, I showed that snow stake up at Brundage, and we've also seen about 4 inches of snow at Tamarack, but even down in our mountain valleys in McCall, picking up 4 inches of snow already this morning, and we will likely see moderate to heavy snow continuing up in the mountains throughout the day, likely picking up another 4 to 8 inches throughout the daytime period today. So if you can sit indoors and enjoy the snow falling, I would recommend that. Stay off the roads if you can. That snow is pushing off to the east. We're seeing some heavier snow through Mountain Home and Magic Valley. You're up next. We are going to see some moderate to heavy snow throughout the later part of the morning, and then that will begin to diminish as we get towards lunchtime. But we do have those blizzard warnings in place down into the Owahis for Camas Prairie as well, where Camas County schools are closed today. And that's where we're expecting those 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts coupled with heavy snow, so near zero visibility, whiteout conditions in those areas. For the mountains, we have winter storm warnings, but that does not mean we will not see blowing snow there. We are seeing gusts up to 50 miles per hour later this afternoon, and that's also the case for the Treasure Valley. Although our temperatures do warm up today in the Treasure Valley, up to about 40 degrees. That snow that we're seeing this morning is associated with a warm front, so we are going to watch those temperatures climbing throughout the day, even Idaho City up to 35. So we may see some snow transitioning over to some rain showers this afternoon, and then into tomorrow we are looking at another round of snow, and that is all going to be in the form of snow. We're not expecting any rain, but this initial batch of snow moving out of the region, and then here comes a cold front that's going to come with a burst of rain and snow this afternoon, maybe even a clap of thunder. And then as we move towards the afternoon, we'll see that moving through Mountain Home and Glens Ferry. That could create very dangerous and quickly changing road conditions on the interstates and over towards the Magic Valley by dinner time, and again some gusty winds possible with that as well. Now as we move into your Wednesday, we do start to see another round of snow developing. For the Treasure Valley, we could see another 1 to 3 inches of snow. This one will come in a little bit later than what we saw with the round of snow this morning, but you'll see by 10 o'clock starting to see that snow filling back in the Treasure Valley and pushing east into the Magic Valley later into your Wednesday afternoon. And then we just kind of see that steady snow continuing into the mountains, and it will begin to pile up. This is through Friday morning, expecting about 1 to 2 feet, maybe even upwards of 3 feet over into parts of Elmore County. And as we do move into Saturday, we have another round of heavy snow. So there will be additional snow amounts on top of that. I don't think we'll see 8 to 12 inches in Boise, but we will definitely see some additional snow through the end of the week. Lucky Peak upwards of a foot of snow. Here's some of those snow totals across our ski resorts. 40 to 50 inches at Brundage. This storm will favor western areas as opposed to further to the east over towards Sun Valley, but still over a foot of snow. And then again, we have rounds of snow each day all the way through Saturday. So we're expecting that snow to pile up a little bit each day, but finally a break in the action, but much chillier air Sunday into Monday.
6 traffic reports.
Well, live look over downtown Boise, we are really starting to see that snow winding down, but you can definitely see those roadways are still coated with some snow, and it's still causing some delays, especially as you head out towards Mountain Home. So if you're headed west towards the Treasure Valley from Mountain Home or east towards Mountain Home, that's where we're running into the bigger issues right now. Overall traffic is just slow. We don't have any major delays through the valley right now, but definitely you're going to want to leave that extra time to get into work. You can see those roads are coated with some snow, but the interstate looking just wet so far this morning.